In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change passcode on Zerion Wallet. Keeping your wallet locked behind a fresh passcode is a simple way to protect your assets and prevent unwanted access on your device. I'll walk you through the process from start to finish and share a few quick tips so it's smooth and secure. First, go to Zerion. Open the Zerion Wallet app on your phone or the official Zerion interface if you're on desktop. Make sure you're opening the authentic app or site and that you're on the device where your wallet is already set up. If prompted, unlock the wallet with your current passcode so you can reach the settings. Once you're in, look to the top right corner and tap the settings icon. This is where Zerion keeps your account and privacy options, including security controls for your local device. Inside settings, find and select security. This section is dedicated to protecting your wallet on the device you're using. You don't need to touch anything else here. We're just focusing on the passcode today. Next, choose Change Passcode. Zerion will guide you through a short flow. You'll be asked to confirm your identity with your current passcode first. This prevents anyone with temporary access to your screen from altering your lock without permission. After that, enter your new passcode. Pick something you can remember but others can't guess. Avoid simple patterns like 0 zeros or 134, birthdays, or repeating digits. If Zerion asks you to confirm, type the same new passcode again to finalize. You'll see a confirmation that the passcode has been updated successfully. Before you move on, a couple of helpful checks. Lock the app or extension, then reopen it to make sure the new passcode works as expected. If your device supports biometrics, remember that your passcode is still the fallback, so keep it strong. Changing your passcode does not affect your wallet's recovery phrase or your on-chain accounts. However, if you ever forget this passcode, you'll need that recovery phrase to restore access on a new installation. So keep it written down and stored offline in a safe place. That's it. You've changed your Zerion Wallet passcode quickly and securely. If this walkthrough helped, feel free to replay any section while you complete the change on your own device.